Hey there, tech fans! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Audition for free on your PC or Mac. Let's get started. First, head to Adobe's official website by clicking the link in the description below. Once you're there, click the free trial button. Choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore all the professional audio editing tools Adobe Audition has to offer. Next, hit Continue, enter your email address, and press Continue again. You'll need to fill in your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel any time before the 14 days are up. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and subscribe. After that, create a secure password for your new Adobe account. You'll then be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're good to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Audition, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Audition is now installed and ready to use. Whether you're editing podcasts, cleaning up audio, or mixing tracks, you're all set. Enjoy Adobe Audition.